We gathered today with hearts full of love to honor a woman whose light still shines above. Chief Mrs. Oluremi Koiki, a mother, a pillar, a blessing to all. Sanre Oyarere. Your kindness was a river that never ran dry. Your wisdom like the morning sky. In your hands, peace and grace would flow. Through every life your heart would show. You taught us love, you taught us prayer. You showed us strength beyond despair. Even though you rest today, your spirit leads the way. Sunreal, Mama real, your memory will never fade away. Sunreal, Chief Mrs. Koiki, in our hearts you will forever stay. We celebrate your life, not in sorrow but in praise. The light you gave will guide our days. Sunreal, till we meet again someday. Koiki family, be strong, stand tall. Mama's love still covers you all. From heaven's gate, she smiles so wide, watching you walk in grace and pride. Let peace surround your home each day. Let unity and love light your way. Though tears may fall and hearts may ache, a legacy no storm can break. We thank God for a life well spent. Glory be to God on high. A crown awaits where angels sing. Olorun na fi ohun gbé. Sunreal, Mama real, your memory will never fade away. Sunreal, Chief Mrs. Koiki, we'll keep your light through every day. Koiki family, wipe your tears. Mama's love will calm your fears. Sunreal, rest in perfect peace, we say. Chief Mrs. Oluremi Koiki, your journey on earth has ended, but your story lives in every heart you touched. Yaagboyaaju music celebrates your life and legacy. Sunreal.